OptiMod for Monopoles is based upon our HMod connector system. The HMod system is extremely flexible. HMod system cables are interconnectable. They can be deployed as an independent system without the need for distribution equipment. Hybrid or separate DC and fiber cables can all be interconnected to create a high-performance channel for use in columns, poles, and other applications where space is at a premium. In this example of a separate power and fiber system, fiber upright system cables are terminated with LCs and broken out into a fan for direct connection to the RLU or AAU. Other fiber connections are also available. The choice is yours. Single or multi-core DC cables are provided ready stripped and bared for connection to. Hughes Multicore Fiber is ruggedized and armored with corrugated aluminium for use in all external applications, including direct burial. Hughes DC power cable offers an optional functional earth. It's shielded to reduce electrical noise and lowers electromagnetic radiation. HMod power and HMod fiber LC connections create high-performance secure channel transition points. Simply connect and latch to create robust IP68 weather and vermin-proof connection points between upright and horizontal cables. Horizontal fiber system cables are terminated with LCs and broken out into a 1 meter staggered fan for connection to the Hughes 19-inch rack-mounted ODF. Single or multi-core horizontal DC cables are provided ready stripped and bared for connection to a Hughes PDU2. In passive performance, it's the details that matter. Hughes pay attention to those details. Our products are designed and engineered to improve passive performance. Thanks for considering Hughes.